Morning everyone, it's Friday and it is Barkspeed time, but today is final paint day. Run VT Errol. Good morning everyone, it's Friday, it's final paint day. I won't show you just yet because I was kind of hoping that I could use my cameras in the workshop to do the some talk over and show you what we've been doing, but unfortunately for some reason the fuse has blown in them and they never recorded anything. So today is mainly going to be me talking about what is in front of me but behind you on the camera. So basically Dave came down and this morning we have masked up the car, we've sanded, literally flatted back the car, and then this afternoon we went at it and we gave it 2 coats of Tahiti blue, and we also did 2 coats on these as well, which are the joiners that go down the 4 corners of the car. And I can honestly say that we have a little bit of footage which I took from my phone, which I'll play in a second, of us prepping the car and then also after we've painted it. But I do apologise, out of my control. Usually I've got a couple of cameras in here and they record 24/7, and for some reason the fuse is blown in the camera box, and I moved everything into there this morning and the camera box is right up the back, and it means me getting all this out. But I'm going to let the paint on the car cure to allow me to, so that I don't get any dust on it. But it looks really good, and I will reveal it to you in a couple of minutes. But I'll show you what we did with the couple of bits I took on my phone earlier. So check this out, and I'm pleased. Thanks. So there we have it. What do you think? It looks very shiny, and I'd say we've done a good job today. We've done a really good job. I am well chuffed with this, I tell you, and I can't wait to start putting it all back together. Obviously we've masked up the roof, masked up the doors, the windows, the bonnet, and that, and we also did this under here, so just to keep it off so we don't get any paint on the wheels and tyres. And I think it looks absolutely mega. You can give me some feedback if you like, but for 2 garagistas, me and my mate Kobo, I think we've done a good job here. Obviously we painted the car right the way round, so the first thing we did was we went round all underneath the roof line, all the way round. Then we did all the curbs, so any curb anywhere, in here, round, and then obviously round the bottom, so round the bottom of the doors, all around the door, over the top, round the back. Then we started on doing the boot, round there, round the windows, in here, right underneath, all the way down there and up and down. Then we went out the panels, going backwards. I was using a sort of this motion, this much on all. And then same with the scuttle. Yeah, it's good, really good. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits. It's awesome. It looks really good, really good. A couple of people to thank. Dave, my mate Kobo, we've known each other since we were 4 years old. Went to the same school, we're now 52. And also Lenny Brooks for the paint. They've really helped me out and given me a few tips and a few pointers. But yeah, nice one. I'll put a link to Lenny Brooks because they're in sort of like Harold Wood. And we've used them, me and my dad, we've used them for a long time. All the different cars that we've done and we've owned, we've always done stuff with Lenny Brooks with the paint. And they haven't let me down on this one because it looks awesome. It looks absolutely awesome. But anyway, for now, If you like what you see, please follow me, barkspeed.co.uk. Follow the YouTube link. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.